Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your close friend on Facebook. This is very easy. Let's jump right. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Now start the video. First of all, here you can see open Facebook, and here you can see option friends. Here you can see click on this. After that, here you can see option your friends, people maybe know. Here you can see your all option. Here you need to click on uh, close friend. Here you can see, click on this. After that, here is the this is my all close friends. In this way you can find and message to your close friend on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.